If you do a lot of cooking and grilling like we do around here, you're going to want to hear about this one. This is Farmer Bob's 100% beef tallow, a big, generous 7-pound bucket of pure rendered beef fat made right here in the USA. Let me tell you why it's earned a permanent spot in our kitchen. First, the heat. This tallow has a 400-degree smoke point, so it gives you that restaurant quality high heat performance right at home. We're talking a deep, beautiful crust on a seared steak, crispy French fries, roasted vegetables caramelized just right. It holds up to serious heat and less oxidation than a lot of the conventional oils people reach for. No burning, no bitter smoke. Just clean, confident cooking. And the flavor? It's dry rendered for a clean, mild taste. So it won't overpower your food with a heavy beefy flavor. It just lets your ingredients shine. We use it for sauteed veggies, braised dishes, cast iron skillet meals, and honestly, anywhere a recipe calls for oil. This is what we reach for now. Now, if you love to grill and smoke like we do, pork ribs, beef roasts, chicken, this is wonderful to use with your favorite rubs. It helps everything hold together and turn out really beautifully. Here's what I love about the bucket itself. It's solid at room temperature, but scoops right out, easy as can be. It's shelf stable thanks to the dry rendering process, so you just store it in a cool, dry place. And at 7 pounds, that's 112 ounces. It keeps a serious home cook stocked for weeks. Smash burgers on Saturday, holiday roasts, weekend meal prep. This bucket covers it all. 0 additives, no preservatives, no extra, just pure rendered beef fat from USA raised cattle, rendered right here in America. So you know exactly where your food's coming from. I already packed a ball jar full to keep close at hand by the stove because we use it that often. And here's a little bonus. It's a multi-use household staple. DIY soap makers love it for its rich lather, and a little bit works as a simple balm for dry skin too. I actually rub it on my wooden utensils and my wooden cutting boards. One bucket really does go a long way if it fits the way you already cook, keto, paleo, carnivore, or just real food made well. I think you're going to just love keeping this one on hand. Happy cooking, friends! And as an Amazon influencer, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating these wonderful, cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.